If you're seeing GOG Runtime error 126 or 59, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your game installer working again. These errors are usually caused by a damaged installer, a file path issue, or missing system components like the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. The good news is that this is usually an easy fix, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC gaming fixes. First, the safest thing to do is re-download the installer. Go directly to GOG support and grab the latest offline installer file again. Sometimes the original file gets corrupted during download, or the installer version you have is outdated, so starting fresh is always the best first step. Once the new installer is downloaded, don't leave it sitting in your downloads folder. Instead, move the installer file directly to the root of your main drive. For example, place it in C drive so the path looks simple, like C backslash. This can help avoid file path or permission issues that sometimes cause installer errors. After that, find the installer.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the installer may need elevated permissions to access the system properly, write files, and complete setup without being blocked by Windows security settings. If the installation still fails, the next step is to install or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Download the latest x64 and x86 versions from Microsoft and install both of them. Many games and launchers depend on these runtime components, and if they're missing or damaged, you can get errors like 126 or 59 during installation or launch. Once both versions are installed, restart your computer so Windows can fully apply the changes. Then try running the GOG installer again from the root of your drive as administrator. In many cases, that combination alone is enough to fix the issue. If you were able to get past the error, that's great. The problem was likely caused by one of those common setup conflicts. To recap, re-download the installer from GOG support, move it to the root of C drive, run it as administrator, and install both versions of the Visual C++ redistributable. Those 4 steps solve most GOG runtime error 126 and 59 issues without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes, gaming guides, and PC troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.